What makes me think is what if you could simply press a button and be paid for watching a video? What if you could get paid again when you merely like or comment on a video? What if you could do all of these things on your smartphone in just a few minutes a day and make real money online again and again? What if you could easily withdraw this money from PayPal? Even better, what if you could have it transferred to your bank and have it in cryptocurrency? Wouldn't that be fantastic? Today, I will be showing you an app and a website that only a few people are aware of. I will show you step by step how to sign up for totally free. Don't worry, this website has no country limit, so you can sign up from anywhere in the globe. And if you stick with me to the finish, I will even offer you a unique bonus tip that will earn you money without any effort on your part. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. Pay great attention to what I'm going to say in this video since this is a fresh new website and I don't want you to miss any of the key facts. Now I want you to look at this right here where you can see that there are 5 various ways to generate money on this website. Zarklami.com. There is even an app you can download to your Android or Apple mobile that allows you to accomplish activities and earn money while on the road. Okay, if you appreciate this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. The first method is to browse websites, videos, and advertisements. The second method is to leave social media engagement, which includes watching, liking, sharing, and possibly even commenting on videos. You can also write comments and reviews on specific products and fill out surveys if that is your thing. This, in my opinion, is the greatest way for novices. Don't forget that I will be sharing some advice with you later in the video, so please remain with me. Now let me show you the home page. Remember, you can do this on any device, including your laptop, computer, mobile phone, or tablet. Rest assured, this strategy works in every country in the world, so if you follow through, you will surely make money. You don't need to spend any money to make this work, and you don't need to invest any money, so let me show you how it works. Step 1 is to choose an earning technique. As you can see, there are a lot of different ways to make money on this website. You may choose from any of these alternatives. Next, start working on the jobs you've chosen and you will get paid every time you hit a certain threshold. You can even get paid every 24 hours utilizing this strategy. So if that sounds good to you, let's go on to signing up. Now, if you want to sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click on the registration button right here, which will take you to this page where you can check your account options. You may use your Google or Microsoft account to register, or you can create a new one by filling in your email and password and clicking Next. You will now be transported to this page, which is your dashboard, where you can view your predicted earnings. Because this is a new account, you will start with $0 because you haven't finished any jobs. But don't worry, as you start earning money, it will appear here on top of your dashboard. And now that you've begun setting up your account correctly, go to your email inbox and check for the email containing the account verification link so that your account can be fully set up and activated so you can begin earning money. Back to your dashboard, as you can see on the side, I want you to click on Earn to be directed to this page where you can pick your way of earning. You can see all of the techniques that I showed you earlier in the video here. Let us look at the first technique, which is surfing websites, videos, and advertising. Simply click the green button right here that says Earn, and you will be directed to this page where you can finally start browsing ads and start earning money. When you click on Earn, a pop-up window will appear, as you can see right here. It doesn't matter if you're using a laptop, phone, or tablet. All you have to do is explore the website for the length of time suggested, making sure you don't simply stay in one spot. This way, you can demonstrate that you're a real person performing the activity and not a robot programmed to stay still. Once the timer goes off, money will be deposited into your account. Let me now demonstrate what occurs when you start afresh. You may be sent to random YouTube videos such as this one. This time, all you have to do is hit play and begin viewing the movie for as long as the timer shows. Remember, if you halt the video before the timer expires, you will not receive any money. Again, click the green button right here to be directed to a page where you can leave all kinds of interactions in social media sites like YouTube and Instagram. On YouTube, you may view videos, subscribe to channels, and like the content. You may like posts and follow accounts on Instagram. These are all really simple and straightforward tasks that almost anybody can accomplish. No prior knowledge is required. You only need to click a few times and you will get rewarded. I will give you an example here by watching a YouTube video. Simply click the play button, begin watching the video, and wait until the timer stops counting down. Here is a tip. By clicking the gear button and lowering the video quality to the lowest setting, you can make the video load and play much faster while also saving data. So that is the second method to get money on this website, and there are more. You may make money by leaving comments or reviews, filling out surveys, creating accounts, and signing up for newsletters, among other things. Now, for the additional tip I've been keeping you waiting for, Zara Clamid does offer a referral program where you can welcome or recommend friends to the website and earn a 12% commission. All you have to do is copy your unique referral link below and share it with others. But wait, there's more. With this website, Coinbase.com, you can make an extra few dollars. On the homepage, you will find a button that reads Earn Crypto right here. I want you to click on that and you will be transported to a page where you can earn crypto while learning about cryptocurrencies. The idea of it is that all you have to do is watch these training videos and you will be paid for each one you watch. Now take a look at the amount of money they will pay you for each video. It is unbelievable. I will quickly guide you through how it works. Simply click on Start Course and you will be directed to this website. When we scroll down here, we can see all of the teachings split down into easily consumable videos that run only a few minutes apiece, and you get paid to watch them. See this video, which is only this long and can earn you this much money. If you keep viewing videos, the money will mount up. You may also refer your friends to our website and receive a payment of $40. Once you've completed the course, you can simply go back and take more courses to continue making money in this simple way. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.